For maintenance or adjustment work, the spring arm, encoder and measuring wheel can be swung up out of the working area and fixed in this position. There is no need to loosen the central screw for this. The system does not need to be loosened or dismounted. Instead, you will find a locking pin near the central screw. When the system is in the working position, this pin is secured against accidental activation. Swing the preloaded system upwards until you feel a click. Now, twist the locking pin slightly to the left, bringing it out of the idle position, pull against the reset spring force and secure by twisting back to the right. The system can now be swung a further 20 angular degree. Once the arm is in this position, twist the locking pin to the left and release. Slowly rotate the spring arm forwards until the locking pin clicks in and further movement is prevented. Now, secure the locking pin by twisting it slightly to the right, bringing it under the protective cover. The system can stay in this position for as long as necessary. In order to return to the working position, lift the spring arm slightly in order to release the locking pin. Twist the locking pin to the left once more and secure using the little bobble. The spring arm can now be moved downwards against the preload force until the measuring wheel rests on the measuring track once more. Now twist the locking pin slightly to the right in order to secure it underneath the protective cover. And there you go! The length measurement system is again ready for operation.